question, solve cos of x plus y dx plus 3y square plus 2y plus cos of x plus y dy equal to 0. From this question, it is clear that this is in the form of exact differential equation. So, it is in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. M is equal to cos of x plus y and n is equal to 3y square plus 2y plus cos of x plus y. I first check whether it is exact. Dou m by dou y. Partially differentiate m with respect to y. This cos of x plus y is minus sine of x plus y. Similarly, dou n by dou x. This partially differentiate n with respect to x. 3y square, that means it's 0, 2y again 0. Now cos of x plus y, that is minus sine of x plus y. So, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So, it is exact. Now, the general solution. Integral m dx plus integral terms in n not involving x dy equal to c. So integral m is cos of x plus y dx plus integral terms in n not involving x, that is should not contain any x terms. The rest is 3y square plus 2y dy is equal to c. Integral of cos of x plus y is sine of x plus y plus 3y square, that is 3 into y square. Integral of y square is y cube by 3 plus 2 into integral of y is y squared by 2, which is equal to c. Now cancelling those terms, sine of x plus y cube plus y square is equal to c. This is our required answer. Fifth question, test for exactness and solve x cube dx plus y cube dy equal to 0. So it is in the form of exact differential equation. First you want to find out whether it is exact. For checking it is exact, we want to find out dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. If it is equal, then we can say that the given differential equation is exact. So this is x cube dx plus y cube dy equal to 0. That is, it is in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. M is equal to x cube and n is equal to y cube. Dou m by dou y. Partially differentiate m with respect to y. So, this 0, then dou n by dou x. This partially differentiating with n with respect to x. Okay, this is 0. From this it is clear that they are equal, that is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. That means it is exact. Now the solution is given by integral m dx plus integral terms in n not involving x dy equal to c. So integral m is x cube dx, and in terms in n not involving x. So in our n there is no x, so it is y cube dy equal to c. Integral x cube is x raised to 4 by 4 plus y cube is integral y cube is y raised to 4 by 4 equal to c. Or you can write as x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 equal to 4c, or x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 equal to capital C. This is our required answer. Y dash e raised to pi x equal to y square plus 1. Y dash can be written as dy by dx into e raised to pi x equal to y square plus 1. We can separate x and y square plus 1 is equal to dx by e raised to pi x. Integrating on both sides, integral dy by y square plus 1 is equal to integral dx by e raised to pi x. Integral 1 by y square plus 1 is tan inverse y. Now this is equal to, this can be written as, that is integral e raised to minus pi x dx. Now integral of e raised to minus pi x dx is e raised to minus pi x divided by minus pi plus c. That is tan inverse of y is equal to minus e raised to minus pi x by pi plus c. Or you can write it as y is equal to tan of minus e raised to minus pi x by pi plus c. This is your required answer. Eighth question. Solve the initial value problem. Y dash x ln x is equal to y, y of 3 equal to ln 81. That is, ln means it's a natural logarithm. You can consider as log. So y dash can be written as dy by dx x ln x is equal to y. Now separating x and y, dy by y is equal to dx by x log x. Now integrating both sides, integral dy by y is equal to integral dx by x log x. Now integral dy by y is log y. Now integral dx by x log x. Here we substitute for log x. That is, put ln x is equal to, that means log x is equal to t. Derivative of log x is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So from here 1 by x dx is what? dt. So dt by and ln x, that is log x is equal to t. And here log y is equal to integral of 1 by t is log t. Instead of c you can put log c. C and log c are constant, so you can either put c or log c. Better here it is as log c. So log y is equal to log of tc. This y is equal to tc. Now substitute y is equal to our t is ln x. C ln x. y is equal to c ln x. Now it is given that y of 3 equal to ln 81, log 81. That means y is equal to ln 81 or log 81. Now x is equal to 3. Now substitute in our general solution. That is log 81 is equal to c log 3. Now this 81 can be written as 3 4 c log 3. Now c is equal to ln 3 raised to 4 by log 3. Now this raised to 4 can be written as log ln 3 by ln 3. Now c is equal to 4. Therefore, the required solution is y is equal to 4 ln x. This is our